Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Quest protein cookie in the chocolate chip flavor. So this is their normal chocolate chip. I've had the peanut butter one before and I'm excited to try this because normal cookies are good. So Quest Nutrition is on a mission to make the foods you crave work for you, not against you. So in one of these cookies, which are 59 grams, there's 17 grams of fat, 19 grams of carbohydrate with 9 grams of fiber and 1 gram of sugar. So good amount of fiber in this actually. And then there's 15 grams of protein. So this is a little bit less protein than normal protein bars and all that would, and a little bit higher calories. But that's okay because it's a cookie. You can't expect too much from that. The number one ingredient is a milk protein isolate mixed with whey protein isolate, so it's a protein blend. Next top ingredient is butter and maltodextrin, soluble corn fiber, erythritol, palm oil, unsweetened chocolate, water, and it contains milk. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Quest protein cookie. Let's get into it. Smells like any other protein cookie I've had in the past. It's pretty big, actually. Like, it's got a lot of chocolate chips there in the middle. I like that. But I'm gonna get right into this. It does taste like protein powder, but I have like a really good taste for that. It does taste like a cookie though too. Cookie with a little bit of whey protein in there. Get that milky taste. I like it though. It's pretty decent. Yeah. I do taste the protein in it. It does taste like normal Quest bars, but it still tastes like a cookie all the same. I find with a lot of Quest food, they have this similar protein taste to them in the bars, and I'm also getting that in the cookie as well, especially in the chocolate chip cookie. And maybe because it's more of a basic more bland flavor than something like peanut butter, you're able to taste that protein taste a little bit more. So it's something that I do notice with this cookie, is that it's got that Quest flavor to it. So I would give the Quest protein cookie chocolate chip, or the Quest chocolate chip protein cookie, an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good protein cookie, and they're kind of rare to have a really good cookie like this. I do note that it does taste a lot like other Quest foods, so if you find that you don't like their Quest protein bars, you probably won't like this either, because it does have that same taste, but it does have the same, but it does have like a cookie flavor to it, and the texture is cookie as well. So it's very unique. I like these. They're different. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.